All right, today we're gonna bring the gazebo here, and this is pretty much all the parts that we get, including with the Allen wrenches. It's a little task that's gonna take us a while, so I'm gonna set this up today in this area here and see how it looks. So let's go ahead and start. I'm gonna try to do a time lapse on this. Start with the process. One mistake we did when we first set this up, we actually put the net on the inside, and in reality it has to go on the outside. So to keep everything flush and bugs from coming in, this is what this is covered for, right? So if you're gonna do the same thing, make sure you put the net part on the outside. All right, and this is pretty much the entire thing from head to toe. It took us about almost 2 hours to set this up. Recommendation, don't do it by yourself. It's gonna take 2 individuals or 3, and you're gonna need a ladder to set the centerpiece or something higher. If you don't do the centerpiece at the end, everything's gonna collapse. You're gonna need help to stabilize all the ends when you're setting this up. Don't try to do this by yourself. This is the entire thing, how it looks. Disassembling, it's gonna be hard. So my recommendation, once it goes a surface area, keep it there. They also give you enough bolts so you can bolt it down to the actual concrete, and they give you spikes too if you're gonna set this up on the grass area too. Now the top of it, the peak, if you guys can see it, it has a net too. The entire thing has Velcro. Every corner has Velcro here. And when you tie these up here, when it goes into the hook, it also has Velcro here. And this Velcro here, see how this one's not tied right here? We just got to make sure we tied it up. Put the Velcro in place. And this goes in here, every corner. This is going to be tight. This is where you're going to need to help every single corner. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 corners that you have to worry about. If you guys can see, there's a Velcro tie-in along with the ties. Is because once you unzip them, you could set them up in every corner. I'm gonna show you guys the inside of it so you guys can see a little bit more. All right, there is a zipper here, if you guys can see that. Zipper goes all the way to the top into the inside. Airflow ventilation on the top, so that's an extra scale that you have up there This is pretty much what where, and you do have a hook. So if you want to set up your lights, your hanging lights, your solar lights, pretty much anything in the center. I wouldn't take it places because it's not easy to set up. It takes a couple people to set up. Now, when you're setting up the hooks, they go on the top, all right? Make sure that they go on the top. There's hose ventilations also for a drain. In case it rains, water won't hang in there. It's perfect. Centerpiece, you can feel some air coming in. Zippers, you get 1, 2, 3, and the last one 4 here. So perfect for that. So here's a picture from the outside. If you guys can see it, beautiful, luxurious gazebo, easy to assemble. Instructions were very thorough. Gives a beautiful ambiance to a backyard. If you need one of these, if you have concrete or sand or dirt or grass, all right, so this is the final product. If you guys can see, we did set up the nets on the corner. Now when it comes down to weights, your own weights in here, or you could bolt them to the ground. And like I say, they do come with spikes, and each footing has their own holes, if you guys can see that. So the inside, the reason that you slide these up here is because these are, you guys can see, you can move them around to open and close. Overall, it's a great gazebo. It's 11 by 11. It's going to take at least 2 individuals to put together, and you are going to need something like a steps ladder or maybe a chair that you can stand up, something safe. And overall, it's going to make your summer, your winters, every time of the year. You can use this, add your own lights, your own ambiance. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.